Now, India's parliamentary budget session commenced today with Prime Minister Narendra Modi expressing confidence in the nation's economic trajectory. Prime Minister Modi emphasized that the upcoming budget would be a key milestone towards achieving a developed India by 2047. He outlined innovation, inclusion and investment as the government's top priorities, with a strong focus on empowering youth and women.
100 साल होंगे, विकसित भारत का जो संकल्प देश ने लिया है, ये बजट सत्र, ये बजट एक नया विश्वास पैदा करेगा, नई ऊर्जा देगा.
Now, President Draupadi Murmu addressed the joint sitting of the Parliament and highlighted the government's commitment to economic progress. She also highlighted the administration's efforts to accelerate policy implementation and to drive structural reforms.
विकसित भारत के विजन में जन भागीदारी का सामूहिक सामर्थ्य है, देश की आर्थिक उन्नति का रोडमैप है, डिजिटल क्रांति के रूप में टेक्नोलॉजी की ताकत है और आधुनिक इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर आधार भी है. मेरी सरकार के प्रयास के बल पर भारत दुनिया की तीसरी सबसे बड़ी अर्थव्यवस्था बनने जा रही है.
Now, Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman is set to present the Economic Survey 2025. It is expected to offer key insights into the country's fiscal health and the future outlook. With the world closely watching India's economic policies, all eyes are now on the upcoming survey and the budget that will come tomorrow. My colleague Dharamjot Kaur has more on this. Let's listen to this report.
Day one of the budget session in India Parliament has been kicked off by the President's joint address to both the upper and the lower house. Now, in a short while from now, Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman will be tabling the economic survey in both the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha. Now, the economic survey is an indicator of several socio-economic indications in terms of how the country has performed in the past and what will be the outlook for the upcoming fiscal year. Now, the economic survey will also set the tone for what the budget will look like tomorrow, with all eyes on the provisions, especially the middle class hoping for certain tax relief. Whether or not that happens is something to watch out for. With video journalist Libin, this is Dharamjot Kaur for WION World is One.
To stay up to speed with the latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.